The Business Model Canvas, or BMC for short, is a powerful tool. It helps you understand your business in a comprehensive way. Created by Alexander Osterwalder and Yves Pineur, the BMC breaks your business down into 9 key parts. This guide will walk you through each part and will use examples to make everything crystal clear. By the end, you'll be able to create your own BMC, which will help you make better decisions for your business. The BMC isn't just a one-time exercise, it's a living document. You should revisit and update it regularly. As your business grows and changes, so should your BMC. Who are your customers? This is the first question the BMC helps you answer. You need to define your target audience. These are the people who will buy your product or service. Customer segments can be broad or narrow. For example, a clothing store might target women aged 25 to 35, while a software company might focus on small businesses in the healthcare industry. It's important to be specific. The more you know about your customers, the better. This will help you tailor your product and marketing efforts. Remember, you can't be everything to everyone. Focus on serving your target market well. What makes your business unique? This is where you define your value proposition. It's what you offer to your customers that solves their problems or meets their needs. Your value proposition should be clear and concise, making it easy for customers to understand. What are the benefits of your product or service? Why should they choose you over your competitors? For example, a ride-sharing app might offer convenience, affordability, and safety. These are all value propositions. Think about what makes your business stand out. How do you reach your customers? This is where you define your channels. Channels are how you interact with your customers, including how you make them aware of your product and how they purchase from you. There are many different channels you might use: online advertising, selling through a website, social media, or even a physical store. The best channels depend on your target market. Where do they spend their time online? How do they prefer to shop? You need to meet your customers where they are. Don't be afraid to experiment with different channels. Section 5. Building customer relationships. What kind of relationship do you have with your customers? This is where you define your customer relationships. Do you have a personal relationship with each customer, or is it more transactional? There are many different types of customer relationships. You might have a dedicated account manager. You might offer self-service support. You might use email marketing to stay in touch. The best type of customer relationship depends on your business. If you sell high-end products, you might want a more personal touch. If you sell low-cost products, you might focus on efficiency. Section 6. Generating revenue streams. How do you make money? This is where you define your revenue streams. This is how you generate income from your customers. It's important to have a clear understanding of how you make money. There are many different revenue streams. You might sell products directly. You might sell subscriptions. You might offer advertising space. You might charge for premium features. Think about different ways to monetize your product or service. Don't be afraid to experiment with different revenue streams. The goal is to find a model that is sustainable and profitable. Section 7. Identifying key resources. This section is crucial for understanding what drives your business forward. What are the most important assets in your business? These assets are the backbone of your operations and can make or break your success. This is where you define your key resources. It's essential to be thorough and precise in this step. These are the things you need to operate your business. Without them, daily operations would come to a halt. This includes physical resources like your office or equipment. These tangible assets are the foundation of your business infrastructure. It also includes intellectual property, like your brand or patents. These intangible assets can provide a competitive edge and are often the result of years of hard work and innovation. You also need human resources. These are your employees. They bring skills, creativity, and dedication to your business. They are essential for your business to function. A motivated and skilled workforce can drive your business to new heights. You also need financial resources. These funds are necessary to support your operations and fuel growth. This is the money you need to operate and grow your business. Proper financial management ensures sustainability and expansion. Identify the key resources that are critical for your success. This strategic step helps in prioritizing and allocating resources effectively. These are the things you need to protect and invest in. Safeguarding your key resources ensures long-term stability and growth. Without them, your business would not be able to function. Recognizing and managing your key resources is fundamental to achieving your business goals and sustaining success. Section 8. Outlining key activities. What are the most important things your business does? This is where you define your key activities. These are the tasks that are essential for your business to operate. This includes things like product development, marketing, and sales. Your key activities will vary depending on your business. If you are a manufacturer, your key activities will be different from a software company. Think about the core functions of your business. Focus on the activities that add the most value to your customers. These are the things that will make you successful. Don't waste time on activities that are not essential. Section 9. Forming key partnerships. Who are your most important partners? This is where you define your key partnerships. These are the external relationships that are essential for your business. This includes suppliers, distributors, and other strategic partners. No business is an island. You need to rely on others to succeed. Think about the companies and individuals who are essential for your business. How can you strengthen these relationships? Building strong partnerships can give you a competitive advantage. It can help you reduce costs, improve efficiency, and access new markets. Don't underestimate the importance of building strong relationships. Section 10. Analyzing cost structure. What are the major costs in your business? Identifying these costs is crucial for understanding your financial health. This is where you define your cost structure. It's a detailed breakdown of all the expenses your business incurs. These are the expenses you incur to operate your business. They can range from everyday operational costs to larger one-time expenditures. This includes things like rent, salaries, and marketing expenses. Each of these costs plays a significant role in your overall budget. It's important to have a clear understanding of your costs. Knowing where your money goes helps in making informed financial decisions. This will help you price your products and services appropriately. Accurate pricing ensures you cover your costs and achieve profitability. It will also help you identify areas where you can save money. Cost-saving strategies can significantly impact your bottom line. There are two types of costs, fixed and variable. Understanding the difference between them is key to managing your finances effectively. Fixed costs are expenses that remain the same regardless of how much you sell. Examples include rent, salaries, and insurance. Variable costs fluctuate depending on your sales volume. These can include costs like raw materials, production supplies, and shipping fees. Understanding your cost structure is essential for profitability. It allows you to make strategic decisions that can lead to financial success. Section 11. Conclusion: the power of visualization. Congratulations! You've just completed a crash course on the business model canvas. This journey has equipped you with the essential tools and knowledge to map out your business ideas effectively. We've covered all 9 building blocks: customer segments, value propositions, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnerships, and cost structure. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the overall success of your business model. Remember, the real power of the BMC lies in its visual nature. Visualization helps in simplifying complex ideas and making them more accessible and understandable. By sketching out these 9 elements on a single canvas, you gain a holistic view of your business. This bird's-eye perspective allows you to see the bigger picture and understand how different parts of your business interconnect. You can easily see how each component connects to and influences the others. This interconnectedness is vital for identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats within your business model. Use this tool to brainstorm new ideas, identify potential challenges, and explore innovative solutions. The BMC encourages creative thinking and collaboration among team members and communicate your business model to others. Whether you're pitching to investors, explaining your strategy to your team, or simply organizing your thoughts, the BMC serves as a clear and concise communication tool. The BMC is more than just a static document. It's a dynamic tool for driving innovation and growth in your business. It evolves with your business, adapting to new insights and changes in the market. So, grab a canvas, start sketching, and let your creativity flow. Use the BMC to visualize your business ideas and turn them into actionable plans. And watch your business vision come to life. With the power of visualization, you can transform abstract concepts into tangible strategies, paving the way for your business's success.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.